Generating an image with the pattern feature in Artbreeder. To harness its full potential, first, locate the pattern tool situated on your dashboard. This should be fairly easy to spot. Once you've accessed the tool, you'll notice that it offers two options. It gives you the liberty to either generate a pattern courtesy of Artbreeder or to upload a personal pattern of your choosing, should you possess one. When you've decided on the pattern, the next step is providing the program with a prompt. Essentially, this is a brief description or direction you want your image to follow. According to your preference, the AI will then utilize this specific description as a key input when blending it with your pattern. After you've defined your prompt and pattern, simply click on the Generate button. This instructs the AI to commence the creation process, taking your selected pattern and combining it with the prompt provided. Within moments, you're presented with an image that reflects the amalgamation of your shared instructions. It's this combination that ultimately fuels the creation of your unique piece.